So in the latest scheme of trying to take away healthcare from Americans, here is what Donald Trump's administration and his MAHA movement is doing. The people with cancer or HIV could lose Medicaid under the new rules, new work rules put forth by the MAHA people and the Trump administration. So it looks like if you got cancer now and you take Medicare, now you're gonna have to prove that you have cancer. Your doctor's note and your diagnosis is not enough. Now you're gonna have to somehow prove to the state that now you are sick and you cannot work. Now I get it, some forms of cancers do not affect your body in a way that stop you from working or performing whatever duties, but there are some that absolutely require you to be hospitalized away from everybody else because, well, your immune system is done or it's being eradicated in prep for, let's say, like a bone marrow transplant. So what kind of cruel administration would do this, where you have people who are fighting cancer, life-threatening condition, and now they're going to put an extra burden on them trying to prove to the people at the state level or the federal government, who have absolutely no fucking clue what cancer is or treatment or anything else, that they have cancer. On top of the daily quota of stupidity that comes out of White House and the administration, you get this kind of nonsense, right? I remember when my dad was battling leukemia and he had to obviously be hospitalized. He needed bone marrow transplant, so he had to be isolated in the hospital because they were going to kill off basically his immune system, and then they're going to give him a new immune system via bone marrow transplant. And he submitted paperwork to the state, and within like 12 days, I think, he got approved. And this was way before the MAGA people got in charge of Medicare, Medicaid, and healthcare in America. And that was not an easy process. There was a lot of paperwork to fill out. So I remember there was some frustration and waiting because he had to wait to get hospitalized to get the treatment because the government wouldn't allow him to simply go forth with the treatment. He had to prove that he cannot no longer work so he can qualify for Medicaid and disability and get his treatment. Imagine getting sick now, where now you have to do an extra step to prove that the disease that you have that's about to kill you is about to kill you. Every single day, this administration proves that they don't give a damn about American people. They don't give about our society. They don't give a damn about middle class. The only thing they care about is Donald Trump, his family, his friends, Israel, freaking spending money on dumb shit. And instead of helping people that need help, the most vulnerable, those ones who are sick with cancer, they fucking just spend the money any way they want. Screw them.